Are you ready?
I guess. I think so.
We're live.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what's going on? Let's do it again. What's going on?
Oh my God. Oh, no.
All right. Today I'm going to show you how we mount a gas tank. There are other ways to do it on YouTube. They're all fucking wrong. This is the right way to do it. With zip ties. It's as easy as that.
It's genius.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Fantastic. But for serious, I'm going to show you how to do it. And you're going to love it.
How are you going to do this?
Like this. I think it's Blue Cross Blue Shield. So I can like get metal in my eye and cut my finger off. It's not a big deal now. I'm just gonna put a Band-Aid on.
On what?
My cut.
How'd you cut yourself?
Working, dude. This is tough. This is a tough job, man. Lives have been lost doing less. All right?
You're right.
Yeah.
Good thing you have health insurance.
I knew a guy once that lit himself on fire just from falling asleep with a cigarette in his mouth. You know? That's dangerous stuff. Smoking kills, dude. Don't smoke. I'm just kidding. I don't actually know a guy that did that. All right. This is where our trash barrel is. It needs to be taken out. All right, the video has now changed to how to properly apply a Band-Aid, and that's how I do it.
Wow.
Perfect. All right, back to it. This drill has no balls. 0 balls. Thanks, DeWalt.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, Tim. God! God damn it, Tim!
Employee of the month.
Oh, we'll be doing a whole thing on Tim's bike. About how we built it. And Tim built it.
Yeah, we built it twice.
Yeah, we built it 3 times. Tell you not how to do it! Don't show this part.
Why?
Should I look in the camera? Look at you? I should probably look at you.
You think so?
I think so. I don't know.
It's probably easier to look at me.
It's
than
easier to look at me than easier to look at you than the camera. You should hold a mirror up so I can look at myself.
That's not what you want to see.
That's what I want to see.
No.
Why?
You'll be paying attention to weird
Fair
things.
enough. Okay. You've just been recording
This whole time I've been.
All right. Well,
What are you doing?
I've drilled a hole in the backbone.
Look at me.
I drilled a hole in the gas tank. Now I'm gonna spin these bungs down on the lathe and top hat them. You can buy top hat bungs.
From?
Lowbrow, Gorilla Fab. I don't know who else would make top hat bungs. You could have a friend make them that has a lathe. You could drill a big enough hole to where you slip this in the hole, but we're doing it a different way. All right? I know earlier I said all ways were wrong, and I stand by that. Okay? So yeah, we're gonna top hat these on the lathe right now. The lathe is a complete mess. That's because earlier today, or just a little while ago actually, I had to shave aluminum lower legs. And this is what it looks like after you do that. And I haven't cleaned it, so don't judge us, all right? This is just what it looks like for now. I promise you it doesn't look like this always.
That is the furthest from the truth.
I clean this once in a while. It doesn't look like this, but, you know, come on. I use it, we use it. All right, let's
I
just
use it.
dust it off a bit, you know? It's fine. No big deal. All right, top hatting bungs. Glam.
Oh, no.
You gotta take off the real mounts, bro. I don't know. Just a fighter. Okay, bung has been top hatted. Bam. See my finger? Bam. 1/2 inch hole. 1/2 inch top hatted bung. Well, it's 3/8 threaded hole in the bung. Top hatted to 1/2 inch. Bam! In the hole. Next, I'm gonna clear back some of this powder coat and we're gonna tack her up with the welding machine, dog. It's welding machine time.
I don't like that.
Fine.
Safety first. Safety first.
I need a new welding hood. I did respond. Uh-oh. Ground popped off. Okay. All right. Bung is in. Next up. You're gonna tack it, but you're gonna do a couple of you're gonna do a couple of dabs. Not a full bead, but just a couple to really heat that bitch up. You'll see why. Just like that. Gets the bung nice and hot. And you bring out the trusty agitator. And you want to hit both sides of the bung. And that peens it right over. Now, we're ready to fully weld her in. Okay. Now I fully welded it. I peened it over, so it's got a bit of a contour. Now, we're gonna flat file it to fully contour it to the tab of the gas tank. Because I don't know if you noticed, but that tab's contoured. So, let's start our contour, guys. Do it with me. That's it. Contoured to the tab. All right, we've accomplished the back bung. Now, the front. This being a shovel head frame, and the fact that we shaved off all of the stock castings, there's this gigantic hole here. And guess what? That's where the bung needs to go. So we're gonna fill that with this. It's a bigger top hat, same size thread, and it's going in that hole. Yep. Mm-hmm.
That hole?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Sick.
That's the one. It's on. The tank is on. We've done it. We've arrived at the end. I got the front bung in, welded, all sanded down, filed, contoured to the gas tank, and that's that. It's not rocket surgery.
Rocket surgery?
That's what they say. Like rocket surgeons say that. It's not rocket surgery.
It's not brain science.
That's it. That's the stuff.
All right.
Yep.
Well, it looks good.
Yeah. So you can now that you've successfully mounted your gas tank, you can move on to other things like the oil tank, or the fender, or the sissy bar. You know, some people like to wait to the end to mount the gas tank. Some people do it in the beginning. We do it in the middle. Just so happens that's where it fell, in the middle.
Oh, God.
That's it, guys.
All right.
Like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell your friends. Tell your sisters. Tell your moms.